Okay, so now we're looking at sample problem 11.1. This is on page 299. So hopefully if you grab the book, you can follow along with me. Temperature of a piece of copper with a mass of 95.4 grams increases from 25 degrees to 48 degrees when the metal absorbs 849 joules of heat. So it says, what is the specific heat of copper? So the first thing we're going to start with is our equation that we're given. So specific heat, which is C, is equal to Q, which is our heat, over mass times our temperature change, which is delta T. And let's write down our variables that we know. So our mass of the copper is going to be, was 95.4 grams. Our delta T, which is our temperature change, our final minus initial. Final is 48 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius. Our temperature change is going to be a positive 23 degrees Celsius. And then our Q, which is our heat, which was absorbed, was 849 joules. And now we have all our variables to be able to solve for C, which is the specific heat. So we're going to take, and we'll just do that here in this little square. We're going to take Q, which is 849 joules, over, and I'm going to leave our units so we can see what our units should be for specific heat. I said that in the last video. Mass is 95.4 grams. And then we're going to take that times our delta T, which is 23.0 degrees Celsius. So when we take 849 divided by 95.4 times 23, follow sig figs, 3 sig figs, 3, 3. We're going to get an answer to 3 sig figs of 0.387. And then our units are still going to be joules times grams, or joules over grams times degrees Celsius. Joules over grams times degrees Celsius. So your final answer would be in the box there. Okay. All right, what I would like you to practice, I'm going to leave this up here for a second. I would like you to practice, and I will put this in the classroom. I'd like you to do problems, practice problems. Numbers 1 and 2, and that's on page 299. And then I'd also like you to do the section review, just 2 problems though, and that's going to be numbers 9 and 10, and that's on page 299 as well. That'll give you some extra practice. I will do these for you in a video before Wednesday.